And what happened to your bike? Waiting for his bike to be fixed. Well, you
Give
can
me
see
the
it's raining.
phone.
Can you show them?
Yeah, you cannot see it because it's clear.
You have a point.
Hello. I'm gonna show you my bike.
I'm gonna eat chocolates first. Do you want?
Yeah.
Sure.
Can I get them?
Muy bien! You made it! Other bikers. Wait lang, baby. I'm taking video. Amazing. Hindi sa atin yan. You like our date, Ben? Get my water, please. Oh, no. Ang saya. Super. Kasi kasama ko yung aking panganay. And it's really fun. Kasi nagpaluto ako ng pancit canton dahil gutom na kami. I'm really hungry. You know what, Ben? You don't have to do that. Just the water. Date? Yeah. No. We have to pay for it if it moves. Take a closer look. Huh? What's that? Are you having fun? Was it a tiring ride? It was? And your bike broke down. It's a good Sunday. I wish Beanie was here, but she's too small to be with us. So yeah, maybe after 2 years.